Do you struggle with the ideal strategy to apply with health and fitness every Ramadan? Ramadan is a time when Muslims should focus on personal and spiritual growth. But unfortunately, majority of the time we waste the month away with unproductivity, lack of exercise and overeating. But we have some great news. We've just launched the Ultimate Ramadan Training and Nutrition Guide. This is one of the most advanced Ramadan training guides in the world right now. Here's what's included. Number 1, a full Ramadan manual. Number 2, a guide on training principles. Number 3, a guide on nutrition principles. Number 4, a guide on nutritional strategies to apply. Number 5, expert tips on fighting fatigue. Number 6, a full guide on Ramadan supplementation. Number 7, a full 30-day gym workout plan. Number 8, home bodyweight circuits in case you can't make it to the gym. And number 9, you get more than 30 Ramadan recipes that you can make at iftar or suhoor or whenever you feel. You get all of this for only $9.99 and you have lifetime access to all the multiple downloads that we're giving you. Make this your healthiest Ramadan ever.